I'm going to show you how to make the perfect vegan fried egg. The first thing that I'm going to do is make a sodium alginate bath, and this is going to be used in order to help make the egg yolk. Okay, the egg white is going to be pretty simple to make. I'm just going to take all of the ingredients and put in a food processor and blend it till it's nice and smooth. Making the egg yolk takes a couple steps. The first thing is just taking all of the ingredients and mixing them together in a food processor. Now that I have the egg yolk mixture, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put about a tablespoon right into the sodium alginate bath, and I want to try to do it fairly quickly so that way it doesn't drip outside of the size of the egg yolk that I want it to be. And then I'm just going to take some of the sodium alginate and kind of spoon it over the top of it. The egg yolk is going to drop down inside of the sodium alginate, and that's going to create a film around the entire mixture, and that is going to encapsulate the egg yolk. We have the egg yolk, we have the egg white, everything in place. So now let's go ahead and start bringing it together. I'm going to add some of the egg white mixture to a skillet, and it's going to be pretty thick. You can always play around and make it a little bit thinner if you want, but I want it to be a little bit thicker, and I want it to be a little bit less perfect looking, because to me, when I crack an egg, you know, the egg white doesn't form a perfect circle. Once the egg white mixture has formed up a bit, then I'm gonna go ahead and add one of the egg yolks right on top of it, cover it with a pan lid, and let that heat up and get the egg yolk nice and hot. When I first started my journey of making vegan fried egg, I felt like the Burger Dude made a really awesome recipe, and I think that was an excellent starting point. Now, that's nothing against his vegan fried egg. He's probably one of my favorite content creators. I really enjoy his work. But when it comes to vegan fried egg, I wanted to bring a few more pieces out to it. So I established the egg white to be a little bit more thicker than what he put together, and that's just personal preference, right? I don't necessarily think one is absolutely better than the other, but for personal preference, I like my egg white because it's a little bit more firm and thick. The egg yolk, I really like his egg yolk, but I wanted the egg white to fully immerse in all of the senses, right? And one of the things that were missing was that kind of egg smell, that sulfur that you get from an egg. And so I was able to find some ingredients to mesh together into the egg yolk mixture, and it brought out a little bit more of the umami that is in egg yolk, as well as the sulfur kind of flavor and smell. And so bringing that all together, I was able to design and create this vegan fried egg, which I think is absolutely fantastic, and I think that you will absolutely love it. I appreciate you taking this journey with me, and I look forward to sharing more recipes with you. This is a lot of fun for me, and this is just a start. I plan on getting outside of just vegan proteins, but this is the starting point. I have to make all of these vegan proteins first in order to really bring them together in future recipes. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to sharing another video with you again soon.